I think all the topics are beneficial and useful. I think what instills is a different mindset on how we can grow our business, because this type of vehicle is not available in the Philippines. So I think this is a great opportunity for Filipinos, SME owners. Yes, because in the Philippines, to be able to raise funds, we usually go into like debt financing or project financing, PO, purchase order financing. So I think there are some private equities in the Philippines, but they're not as they're not as aggressive as PIF in terms of like reaching out to SMEs. Yeah, so I think that's where PIF really helps us. Oh, and try to sell my business to investors. All the lessons earlier, on top of just changing the mindset. Actually, I just enrolled in the Diamond program. The event is structured, and where you bring us through. It's like a journey, change of mindset, and I think you also tell us that it's possible, and you can help us. You can provide the tools for us to reach our goals.